Remember that an adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Now, usually adverbs modify verbs, telling us how often, when, or where something was done. Have a look at the example over here. We walked really slowly. Now, there are two adverbs in the sentence, really and slowly. The adverb slowly modifies the verb walked, telling us how we walked. And the adverb really modifies the other adverb slowly, and it tells us how slowly we walked. As adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, phrases, clauses, or even entire sentences, they are able to function nearly anywhere in the sentence, depending on their type and what it is they are modifying. Now, if we use more than one adverb to describe a verb, there is a general order in which the different categories of adverbs should appear, sometimes called the royal order of adverbs. First comes manner. Second comes place. Third, frequency. Fourth, time. And fifth, purpose. Now, adverbs of manner tell us how something happens, how someone does something, or give character to a description. Have a look at the example over here. Alice sings beautifully. Now, the adverb of manner beautifully in the sentence tells us how Alice sings. Adverbs of place tell us about an aspect of location associated with the action of a verb, specifying the direction, distance, movement, or position involved in the action. Have a look at the example over here. We looked upwards at the fireworks. Now, the adverb of place, upwards, specifies the direction involved in the action, looked. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Have a look at the example over here. Peter goes abroad twice a year. The adverb of frequency, twice a year, tell us how often Peter goes abroad. And adverbs of time tell us when or for how long something happens or is the case. Have a look at the example over here. They've been dating for 4 years. Adverbs of purpose tell us why something happens. Have a look at the example over here. The dress is handcrafted and hence expensive. Now, the adverb of purpose, hence, in the sentence tell us why the dress is expensive. Now, adverbs indicating the attitude and point of view of the speaker or writer usually go at the beginning, as in the example over here. Actually, I don't want to go there. Now, let's review and practice a bit. Remember that if we use more than one adverb to describe a verb, there is a general order in which the different categories of adverbs should appear. Now read the categories below and put them in the right order. First, manner. Second, place. Third, frequency. Fourth, time. And fifth, purpose. Now rearrange the sentence below following the word order of adverbs, manner, place, and frequency. Beth performs confidently all the time on the stage. Beth performs confidently on the stage all the time. Now rearrange the sentence below following the word order of adverbs, place, frequency, and purpose. Dan works 3 times a week because he is saving money for a trip at a diner. Dan works at a diner 3 times a week because he is saving money for a trip. And now rearrange the sentence below following the word order of adverbs, manner, place, frequency, time, and purpose. My dad swims in the outdoor pool every day to stay in shape before sunset enthusiastically. My dad swims enthusiastically in the outdoor pool every day before sunset to stay in shape. Note that adverbs indicating the attitude and point of view of the speaker or writer usually go at the beginning of the sentence. Now create a sentence using the words in the following bracket. You to keep can't obviously a secret. Obviously, you can't keep a secret. Here's a short story following the order of adverbs. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. We hardly ever meet up. When are you free this weekend? Honestly, I don't know. We have a huge project at work and my boss wants everything to be perfect. So, as you can imagine, we are working overtime. Gosh, it doesn't sound great. Do you sleep 8 hours a day at least? I usually sleep 5 hours a day. I also need to do some household chores to keep my place clean. I'll give you a call next week, okay? And now, time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and decide which is an adverb or adverbial phrase of manner, place, frequency, time, or purpose. A. At 7 o'clock in the morning. B. To be more healthy. C. Annually. D. In the worst way possible. E. At the park. And now, restore the word order in the following sentences. A. My little brother, as he can't be with his friends, to like to go to school. B. The lady to me in to talk a friendly manner. C. Honestly, we can't afford I not to think a vacation abroad this year. D. Sam to get up at weekends late usually. E. I at 6 o'clock to go every morning for a run. And now let's check your answers. At 7 o'clock in the morning. Time. To be more healthy. Purpose. Annually. Frequency. In the worst possible way. Manner. At the park. Place. My little brother likes going to school as he can be with his friends. The lady talked to me in a friendly manner. Honestly, I don't think we can afford a vacation abroad this year. Sam usually gets up late at weekends. I go for a run every morning at 6 o'clock. Thank you for watching this tutorial.